Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 5522 Chamberlain. They were out here, we're cabling from outside, could only get so far in and kept dead ending. Came down here in the basement. And, it's open now, we got it draining. We're going to go down here and show you what it looks like. When I first stuck my camera in the outside clean out, I found a hole in the cast iron, but it wouldn't let me pass it. So I came down here in the basement and found out these floor drains were holding. One floor drain's not drained, there's a bunch of dirt and debris in it. Throw it through here, see there's a wire right here. Like I said earlier, I was coming from outside, I couldn't get 40 feet in, and it was going underwater. It was in a hole in the cast iron. I believe we're coming up to it here. See, this bottom of the cast iron's rusted out. We've got a turn there. Guess we're a little further out. Okay, here's our spot here. See, it tries to come back up out of the pipe. I was able to push past that hole from here in the basement. And here we are in the clay pipe outside in the yard here. Really, like I said, I tried going in from outside. It wouldn't let me get so far in there, 40-something feet. See the top of the cast iron here is rusted out. There's a big hole at the top of it right there. And then as we come back, and this is a hole in the pipe here. So you come back out of it. Definitely going to recommend this to be repaired. The cast iron is rusted out. Definitely going to need a repair here. But it is draining at the time, so we'll drain it off. Yeah, definitely going to recommend. I already located that in the basement. So 1 feet 4 inches deep. Over here by the floor drain going up the side of the house here. So definitely going to recommend probably like a 10-foot repair there. So. And here we are at the bottom of the stack. So, like I said, that cast iron is rusted out at the top and at the bottoms. Definitely going to recommend a repair there. Thank you.